How do you choose the best sunscreen for you and your kids? Hi everyone, welcome back to FemHealth. My name is Dr. Reshmi Kapoor. I'm a board-certified dermatologist and founder of Brooklyn Dermatology. Today we're diving into a topic that's so important for your skin's health, sunscreen. We all know we need it, but with so many options in the market, how do you choose the right one for your skin? And if you have kids, what should you be looking for in their sunscreen? I've got you covered. In this video, I'll share what to look for in a sunscreen, both for adults and kids. First things first, your sunscreen should be broad spectrum. That means it protects against both UVA and UVB rays. UVA rays cause premature aging, while UVB rays are responsible for sunburn. Both contribute to skin cancer, and a broad spectrum sunscreen protects against both types of harmful rays. Next, let's talk about SPF. For most adults, dermatologists recommend at least SPF 30 or higher. SPF 30 blocks about 97% of UVB rays. A major pitfall is that we are not perfect applicators, and most people don't apply enough sunscreen to get enough protection. For your face and neck, apply 2 finger-length squeezes of sunscreen. If you're going to the beach and are applying SPF to your whole body, you need 1 ounce, enough to fill a shot glass. And don't forget about reapplying. After swimming, sweating, or just being outside for a while, you'll need to reapply sunscreen every 2 hours to keep your skin protected. If you're planning to swim or sweat, make sure your sunscreen is water resistant. Most water-resistant sunscreens last for 40 to 80 minutes before you need to reapply, so keep that in mind if you're at the pool or on a hike. Now, when it comes to kids, their skin is more sensitive than adults, and they have a higher skin-to-body ratio. For babies 6 months and younger, dress your baby in sun-protective clothing and keep them in the shade. If possible, sunscreen should be avoided in babies younger than 6 months. For infants and toddlers 6 months and older, sunscreen can be applied to all exposed skin. Mineral sunscreens with zinc oxide or titanium dioxide are the best choice for kids' sensitive skin because they are less likely to cause irritation. For adults with sensitive skin, I recommend a mineral sunscreen too, and to look for fragrance-free on the label. These are great for people with conditions like rosacea or eczema. For acne-prone or oily skin, look for sunscreens labeled oil-free or non-comedogenic. This means they won't clog your pores so you can stay protected without worrying about breakouts. For adults with pigmented skin that are prone to pigmentary issues like melasma or post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, tinted sunscreens are a fantastic option. Not only do they offer UV protection, but they contain iron oxides which protect against visible light, which can make pigmentation worse. Lastly, sunscreen isn't just for the beach or sunny days. Both adults and kids should wear sunscreen every day, even when it's cloudy or rainy. UV rays can still reach your skin, so make it part of your daily routine. So, to recap, look for broad spectrum protection, SPF 30 or higher, and formulas that suit your skin type, whether it's mineral sunscreens for sensitive skin or oil-free formulas for oily skin. For kids, stick to mineral and fragrance-free sunscreens for their delicate skin. The key is consistency for everyone, so make sunscreen a habit. Remember to like and subscribe to the FemHealth channel for more health tips. Stay safe, stay protected, and I'll see you next time.